Hi everyone, welcome to our feature activities live guidance today. And today our guest will guide you on how to unlock the rewards from the activity they prepared. And let's welcome our guest today. So we have Val, Global Marketing Head of Foreverland. Hi Val.
Hello.
Yeah, and second we have Claire, CPO of Geta. Hi Claire.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah, and we have Rose. Wait me a second. We have Rosetta from Tier Line. Hi, Rosetta.
Hi everyone.
And last we have Elliot from Kaido.
Hi guys, thanks for the invitation.
And okay, and for today's agenda, let's kick off Val from Foreverland.
All right. So let me just share the screen. It is. All right. So it must be seen right now. Just let me know if so. All right. So yeah. Hello everyone, I'm Val, Global Marketing Head at Foreverland, and I'm really happy to be here as a part of the campaign. So let me just quickly introduce for Foreverland what we are doing at Foreverland and the campaign itself, how we participate in that, and what sort of prizes you can get. So Foreverland is a Web3 cloud computing platform. We are an infrastructure platform. We are helping developers with decentralized storage, with hosting, with gateways, with AI RPC and RPC also. So we've been doing pretty long development in terms of in terms of building some infrastructure solution for developers and helping them with decentralized storage. And therefore, we've been closely working with the BNB Chain team and received their support, and also provided some support towards the community, which is building us with us and with BNB Chain itself. So we, just to be more particular in that, we integrated Greenfield, which is a great protocol which is helping developers to host and store the data on top of a protocol, which is Greenfield. And now it's an amazing possibility for everyone who is interested in decentralized storage to store their data and also be sure that your data won't be deleted once, or just blocked, because it's also stored on chain. We also do similar stuff with hosting, which is a great service when you decide to decentralize the front end of the project. We also do that with BNB Chain's Greenfield. So there are lots of stuff happening at Foreverland, lots of tractions with BNB Chain ecosystem. We also helping developers who are building on top of Greenfield. Currently, in our portfolio, we have several projects that chose BNB Chain's Greenfield to build with. So yeah, we've been pretty active in this year, and would love to stay active also. And also, thanks for the invitation. We also take part in the campaign that was mentioned. So it's pretty simple to do. I'm sharing currently the main page of the campaign, so you can see here there is a link towards a doc. So first of all, there is a reward which is 100 for Evelyn points. For Evelyn points could be utilized on Foreverland platform, and they could be become the base for the future airdrops, maybe future activities related to Foreverland. Anyway, it's like one of the most important characteristics of the users who are utilizing Foreverland. So when you click on the link, there is a quick tutorial. So it's pretty easy to do. All you got to do is to go to the Foreverland Boost page, which is like looks like that. You gotta click on the start button and activate the uh, the uh, the uh, the push status of the user. To do that, you also have to complete some social tasks like sharing the post on Twitter, joining the Discord, also following on Twitter, and finally you get to claim land. To do that, you also have to choose the OPBNB or Binance Smart Chain. So that's pretty it about the workflow, because when you just start, when you finish with land, you're already taking part in the campaign, and you're a participant of the BNB chain campaign in this activity. So yeah, uh, that's pretty easy to do. Just follow the doc file which is being shared here, and yeah, keep being decentralized. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing, and we are excited to see how users engage with your campaign. And I have one question for you. It's about what are the benefits for the projects and the users when they decided to go decentralized with Foreverland?
Yeah, sure. It's a great question because there are lots of users who are utilizing centralized platforms, and when they choose decentralized platforms such as BNB Chain's Greenfield, it's really something to consider. So first of all, when you do choose decentralization with Foreverland, you're not only choosing the Foreverland itself, but you're also choosing the platform, the chains that Foreverland is built on. For instance, BNB Chain's Greenfield. And when you choose them, you are storing the data that you have on top of chains. What it means that the information which is being stored on chain is cannot be just simply deleted by mistake by some I don't know, maybe some decision of the owner of the data. It could not be censorship. So it has the ability to stay against this censorship. So it cannot be just blocked, cannot be deleted. It's also useful when you decide building, like for instance, I don't know, NFT collections. Like you get the tracked files, and you have to store the data itself, like the metadata somewhere. The best solution for you would be decentralized storage, like BNB Chain's Greenfield. So there are lots of possibilities when you go decentralized with Forever, especially if you're a developer, especially if you're a Web3 project. For Web3 projects, I think is almost necessary part of their being, because the core idea of the industry is decentralization, and you cannot be decentralized when you host your front end on Vercel, your back end on I don't know, Amazon somewhere, AWS S3 for instance, and you say that you are Web3. No, you are not. You're only a Web2 project which is mimicking to be Web3. So become decentralized with BNB Chain's Greenfield, become decentralized with Foreverland, and stay decentralized. It's the core idea of our sphere. Thank you.
Thank you, and appreciate Foreverland's contribution and support to the BNB Greenfield. And I think that's all for your session. Do you have any last word want to share with our audience?
Yeah, sure. So we've been also building pretty long time in terms of AI sphere, because it's pretty interesting how it develops right now. So we are currently investing lots of developers hours into the AI RPC service. It works on top of several LLMs. So if you're a developer, but it's still built on principles of Web3, so it's still decentralized. It can be purchased with BNB with BNB chain token. So yeah, it's possible to do. It's not in the Web2 like other projects that kind of do the similar stuff. So if you are a developer and you would love to utilize UI, if you got chatbot or you got AI agent and you got utilize the LLMs models, welcome to try Fraudulence AI Ops. It's pretty easy to do and much quicker than other similar platforms.
Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
And next we have Rosetta from Tierline. Hi, Rosetta. Rosetta, are you here? I think you are muted.
Yeah. Let me share my screen. Can you guys read this? Can you see that? Can you guys see it?
Let's wait a second. I think it's still loading.
Hello?
It's still loading.
Hello? Oh, okay. Can you guys see it?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, this is Rose from Tierline. In Tierline, basically, we are the Web3 version of Manus. So we think AI will reshape everything, like both Web2 or Web3, all the user experience. So we're Tierline. And here is our campaign. Basically, we have like 12 million points, and it's gonna to be shared among 120 users. So how to get it? So firstly, just daily check into our official website, like linking connect your wallet, and our official website is tierline.io, and just go and check in and talk to our AI chatbot. If you want, you can also like the chatbot to like do some DeFi task, or like just simply swapping tokens. I think that will be it. So there is some tips to get. There is few tips to maximizing your rewards. Firstly, is just consistently daily check-in, and the other thing is share achievement on Twitter for like additional bonus points. Yeah, so that's about the campaignship. I think Do you have any questions?
Yes, thank you for sharing, and can't wait for more updates from your team. And I heard that Tierline has also a major product upgrade recently, and can you share more about it? Can you hear me? Are you still online? Okay. No worries. Let's go to the next session first. Then next, let's welcome Claire, CPO of Geta. Hi, Claire.
Hi, hello. Could I share my deck here? Yeah, it goes well. Okay, I'll start. So, hello everyone. So, this is Claire from Geta, and thank you, I guess, Tiana, for having us in this AMA and also this campaign on Dappbay. So, I believe many of you know us from before, since from day one, our team gathers and we build our products on greenfields. So GATA focus on decentralized large model inference, training, and also data technologies. So we hope that with our efforts, our decentralized infra can be part of supporting the global AI economy. So GATA believes that decentralized inference, training, and also data can bring lower costs and higher availabilities architectures and to fuel the whole AI industry, and which can greatly help the development of AI. So in this year, 2025, so we GATA launched our new product called Data Agent. And as you can see, data validation agent, or in short DVA. So DVA gathers computing resources contributed by global users and generate AI training data through AI. So we believe that's a new way to do data labeling. And now our activity began already on BNB Chain Dappbay campaign. And the rule is very simple. You can just start running GATA DVA and invite your friends, and there will be rankings for both running GATA DVA and inviting friends. So on top 15 of each ranking will be the winner. And if you're listed in both rankings, you can gain both rewards. And besides, we also have a referral system. So if you invite friends and run DVA, both of you can earn 10% bonus intelligent bonus points on each games. So and without any limits. So let me put an example. For example, you let's assume that you invite a friend and he or she register through your link into GATA and runs DVA and earn 100 intelligence points. So because of the referral system, you can earn passive 10 intelligence points as a bonus, and your friend can earn an extra 10 intelligence points at the same time. So I believe that's a very easy way to understand. And now I will walk you through our tutorials, our campaign. So the DVA part is quite easy. You just navigate to the link that is shown on screen, which is just GATA XYZ, and then you click your wallet and you start DVA, and it start running directly. And you can see you can earn intelligence points on your screen. And to the referral system part, I will walk you through tutorial simply. Yeah, the first thing is you to navigate to the link, or you can see it is simply shown under the button of Data Agent. And you can copy the invite code and send it to maybe your friends or on social media or anyone you like to share. And as they run, you and your friend can both earn 10% extra bonus on running DVA. Yeah, and that's almost it. And if you can follow us on, and you can get extra information afterwards. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, Claire. Looking forward to see how GATA grows, and also got some questions for you. First is, can you share more about what is GATA Data Agent and how it works?
So as what I've shown before, so GATA Agent is a software that helps to validate, process, and generate AI training data in a more decentralized way, not the traditional way. So I've already walked you through how it works. So first, connect to wallet, click DVA, and run on your device. So you would receive small batches of public data tasks, like checking images or captions tasks something like that. So the agent runs on your local model and score and validate the data without touching your private file. So the results will be cross-checked by others who is also running DBA in the network through validation. So your validation aligns with the network, and you can earn get intelligent points by this way. So think about like mining cleaning data instead of tokens. So it's a much safer way and better way to build a future AI models together.
You just also mentioned about data intelligence points. Can we know more what is this about and what is the utility for it?
Oh yeah, sure. I guess many people might ask this question. So in our system, Get Intelligent Point is how we track and recognize our users' contributions in the whole in the whole system, like building high quality AI training data in a network. So if you complete data validation tasks by using tools like what we launched this year, Data Agent, you can earn it, and based on quality and accuracy and also quantity of your work. So this is a record of proof of your contribution, and our future our future will have more activities involved with this intelligent points and token airdrop rewards, governance right, and other ecosystem benefits since we grow each day. And I think we can get to the benefits with points. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, that's amazing. And do you have any last word want to share with our audience?
Sorry, I didn't get you because of network.
Yeah, any last word want to share with our audience? Any upcoming events and any update want to share?
Yeah, we're still building our network with larger picture in AI training, decentralized AI training and inference, and we hope to grow more products to on Greenfield and to our future users. I think that will be great since we are still under development.
Thank you for joining us today, and everyone do check out Gata on X and on their website to know and learn more. Thank you, Claire.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, and next we have Elliot, co-founder from Acado. Hi, Elliot.
Hi, Diana. Okay, so first of all, thanks a lot for the invitation. Hi guys. This is Elliot from Acado. Yeah, I think it's a great pleasure participating in the campaign as well. I mean, like to align with other great projects. And here we go. First of all, I'd like to share my screen and see. Yeah, just a moment. I would like to go through the something like about what Acado is doing. Later, I'm gonna go through how to complete our task and what's coming next, for Acado as well. So first of all, Diana, could you see my screen, my shared screen?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, that's awesome. So let me give you a quick introduction about what Acado is. Acado is a AI infra, and we empower users to create games like 8 minutes. So this is actually a very similar things to vibe coding. So later I'm gonna show you more. So our aim is just to make every player a game studio, because in the past it's almost impossible for a normal user to code or to create a game by themselves. But right now with the technology and we've got so far, and I think we make it possible. And I probably have seen some other projects doing similar things as well. I mean, to create games by themselves, or to empower users to create their games. But I have to tell you, Acado is one of its kind. I don't really think I haven't seen any other projects who are doing similar things or who are parallel with us. I mean, in this technology, to create some really intriguing and really interesting games by yourself. So we really want to make the TikTok moments. I mean, so it's very similar. Something like, I mean, you create games by prompting, just very similar to like TikTok's like interface, and then there will be some words that you can choose, or you can tap into your own words, or you can upload your image, or some kind of other contents like you want to integrate into your games. So basically, that's very good experience, and it's very like like a live stream or something, like when you create your own games. I mean, very high end, and it's very much like we have already, because we're an AI infrastructure, we have already unified this AI agents, this coding agents. It's very much some coding agents, they code for you. You don't have to code by yourself, so you don't need to have any coding knowledge or coding skill. You just leverage this kind of agents to help you code, to help you create some contents, for example. So when you're trying to create a game, there will be like a map, right? You will create a map. You can tell the agent, so you want what kind of map, volcano, or some Dubai, or pyramid, or some kind of words just like that, and the AI agent will code this map for you directly, instantly, in just few seconds. And then you need some weapons, so there will be some other AI agents, I mean, help you create your weapons. So yeah, you can do that. They will help you create your weapons like in few seconds. Like you want an AK-47 ray, or an arrow, or something else. I mean, some other weapons, and other, I mean, AI agents, they can help you navigate, I mean, the game mechanics, like some ecosystem, economic system, or something like that. So basically, what we do, we're AI infrastructure, we empower users to create games. I mean, because we have already make our agents like into a system. Or when you're using some very natural languages, what I mean is some prompts, I mean, some natural words or some text words, I mean, the AI agents will read it and will leverage them to code, So that's how it works. So you don't need any coding skill, or you just, create games by yourself. And you can check out this kind of graphic about the current coding AI agents, all right? So I think we're rising because they've got different types, but we're focused on application agent, and we're focused on empowering you to create your own games. Later, I'm gonna share more details on how that works. You can check out this kind of process or procedure of how you create your own games, your stars or gameplay or weapons. You can create your enemies, and then you can publish your game. You publish your game, and other people, other users can play your games. So you can gain rewards. I'm also gonna share with you some kind of how it looks like, I mean, in the game. You can check. Yeah, it's just like you tap into some really simple prompts, and then the AI agent will create the map by itself. I'm gonna share like one more example with you. Okay, this is another game. Actually, we created. I mean, yeah, you can check like the CZ. I mean, fighting against some other people, Larry, and in the environment is in a prison. You can just challenge it. I mean, so what I've shown you, I mean, it's very interesting because you can create such games by yourself. I mean, that's actually what we're trying to do. We're first, I mean, multi-agent AIGC game framework. I mean, we leverage DeepSeek or OpenAI, and you can choose like what large language model you want to use. I mean, there will be their edges or yeah, I think that's something that you can use like to create your own content. By the way, there's still like more to introduce to you, like our monetization system. But yeah, anyway, this is just a rundown. I mean, if you follow us, and we're gonna share more how we can create the Web3 creator-driven ecosystem. How we are about to become the Roblox. I mean, Web3 version of Roblox. I mean, Roblox, they're big because they're Web2 creator-driven ecosystem. They've got billions of valuation, and they've also got hundreds of millions of users, tens of millions of creators on their system. It has proven, I mean, creator-driven ecosystem can be successful, and we're doing it like in Web3. and how we're going to build that, how we monetize the creators. So actually, I would like to probably you can follow us, and we're going to do that update one by one. Generally speaking, so we're going to integrate some ad system and also some monetization ways, or collaborate with other some meme communities. I mean, lots of stuff to be done. So actually, that's what we're about to achieve, like in the next phase. So this is actually a rundown about Aikido, and you may check out our campaign page. And this is how you're going to complete your task, and we're actually distribute our nodes to the users who participate. I mean, it's worth total $50,000. I mean, yeah, you can simply join the waitlist on Aikido. I mean, just click on the button, and then it will ask you to do a wallet connect, and you can choose Binance Wallet. Okay, and you can choose to sign in wallet, and then you confirm on your cell phone. Then you're in this page, and then you choose to join the waitlist. Okay, then you simply complete the task. Yeah, that's actually pretty simple. Just join the waitlist. All right. Okay, so this is how it works. After you have joined the waitlist, I think you're just in the participants list, and then afterwards, you will receive a note. Add the note in your account directly. So that's how it works. Thanks, Tiana. I think that's about what Aikido is. Hi, Tiana. Hello. Hi.
Hi, Leah. Sorry, I have some internet issue. It's everything is all shared, right?
Oh yeah. It's actually all shared. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. And yeah, I already see that your team is really building something exciting in AI and the game space. Yeah, and also got some questions for you. First is how does sorry, what?
Oh yeah, please, yeah.
Yeah, and first is how does Arcado plan to create the biggest Web3 creator ecosystem?
Yeah, first of all, we are actually very similar to Roblox, and we're following their path like in Web3. And as I mentioned earlier, we're AI infrastructure, and we empower users to create games by themselves in few minutes using very simple languages, using prompts, text prompts. You don't need any coding skill, right? So this is actually, we provide this kind of tool for creators to create, and at the same time we integrate the advertisement system like from Cocos. So which means that when you create the games on it, when user play your games on it, there will be some ads revenue and for creators, right? So I think this is just part of the revenue, and we'll also gain some part of the revenue from this. And users they are going to gain some points, AKE points. And the creators will also gain some points, like our points. So in the future, they can redeem the points to our governance token AKE. And so because we have the revenue, right? We have the revenue, so we can use the revenue to purchase back the token. So it's gonna be like this kind of cycle. The economy. This is how it looks like, and so basically, this is how it looks like, and that's actually the next step is how we're going to scale it. So because I think meme right now, so there are so many like meme communities. Actually, I think what we can do is that we can leverage these meme communities. For example, so right now they've only got like a graphic or something like that. Avatars. So we can leverage the avatars. We can integrate the avatar into a game. So I believe so their community will like it. Will like their games. So when they play the games, I suppose they're also gonna gain some of their own, airdrop or something like that. So basically, this is how we scale. For example, we can ask 1,000 meme communities to leverage our tool to create games to create a customized games for themselves. I mean, that will be a very large community, a very large community. So that's how we foresee what's going to happen probably in the next 1 or 2 months. By the way, so in the next month, I mean, in May, middle of May, so we're also going to host a really big, vibe coding campaign. We have invited lots of IP projects like Azuki or Seraph or Exterior or some other good names to attend the event to be one of our creators. We will leverage their avatar. I mean, they will leverage their avatar to create games for their community. So I think that's going to be exciting. I mean, so looking forward to that, guys. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you for sharing. And any other important updates from your upcoming roadmap you would like to share?
Yeah. So as I mentioned, because we have already completed our product right now, even though it's invite only, but you can log in our platform and choose to join the waitlist, right? So and then in the future you will be like open to our AI create feature. So this is from the product side, and in next month, as I mentioned earlier, so we're going to have a very large vibe coding event. We've already invited some big names, and I suppose lots of people. I mean, right now we've got our ecosystem has got like millions of users. So they're pretty eager to learn that when we're going to do TGE. So I have to tell you, so the estimating timeline for our TG is going to be in June, because until that, I suppose everything's going to be well prepared, like from our product side, from our community side, from the listing side, from the market maker side. So I think lots of things will be done, and right now I think it's really well in the preparation process. And pushing forward, we will, as I mentioned, we will leverage them more. For example, we'll leverage 1,000 meme communities. We will ask them to integrate our AIGC tool, and so I think you will see Aikido everywhere probably in the near future. So that's actually what we're about to do. And by the end of this year, and we really aim to empower 1 million up to 1 million Web3 users to be creators, to use Aikido's product. I think that's going to be really hyped and really huge. And I hope we're going to live up to the Web3 version of Roblox and to live up to the success of Web3 creator-driven ecosystem, and I think we're building that kind of thing. So come on, guys, follow us. Let's go align with each other and to create the history and to create something really innovation. So thanks.
Thank you, Elliot, for joining us today. And everyone, do follow Aikido on X and check out their website to learn more. And thank you. Yeah, and next we will have Rosetta back. Hi, Rosetta from Tier-Line.
Hi, Tiana. I'm sorry for the internet issues, and let me share.
Yeah, feel free. Let's go through it.
Can you guys see it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so hi, I'm Rose from Tier-Line, and we are reshaping the entire user experience for the Web3. We think AI will power will reshape the user experience for both Web2 or Web3, and especially for the intent to action. So here is a very quick product demo. Basically, we have this website version, and we just recently launched our entire product to the Chrome extension. It's called Ghost Driver, and you guys can download from our official website. And basically, just it's intent to action, right? So just tell the our Ghost Driver whatever you want. If you want to check the highest APR in Pancake pool, or highest pool for the APR in Pancake or in Sui or in Solana, and it will tell you which pool has highest APR, and it will also help you to actually deposit or withdraw or even claim your rewards. So and for example, you can ask it to swap any tokens in BSC on BSC, like swap cake to BNB in this case, right? Those are all automatically done by our Ghost Driver, our product. And yeah, so I think that's a very quick introduction to our product demo. And let me show you the campaign information. Here you go. So basically we have 12 million PowerPoints, right? It's gonna to randomly distribute to 120 users. And the winner will announce after May 12th. So what you should do to get the PowerPoint, firstly, daily check in to our website, like log in to your Google account or whatever, or your email, and link your Web3 wallet, and then just daily check in. Just press the check-in button, and then you can also chat with our AI bot or ask any actions you want from the AI bot. Just try to play with it, right? And there's some other tips for you to maximize your rewards. Firstly, share whatever you're doing on Twitter. This will has the social boost. So share any achievements on Twitter, you will get additional like bonus point for that. And the other tips is like consistent to daily check-in, right? So check-in like consistently every day. So that will also maximize your rewards. Yeah, basically, I think that's all the information here for the campaign for Tier-Line. Do you have any questions?
Yes, thank you for the sharing, Russ. And I got questions for you. It's about the TL has a major product upgrade recently. Can you share about it more?
Oh yeah. Let me share the screen again to our official website. So before we recently just launched our Chrome extension. It's called Google Driver, right? So previously we have the TJ bot, and you can basically do whatever actions to the TJ bot, like ask the Telegram bot help you swap or help you check out the highest APR pool in whatever blockchain. And also we have these functions building in our official website. But we recently have this major upgrade. We have this Chrome extension. So why we have this Chrome extension is because we want everything to be automatically done. For the TJ bot, or if you're using the website, the user still need to sign the signature, or still, it's not fully automated. So right now, through our Google extension, you can fully automate the entire process. And the other thing is like we support 2B APIs. For example, for instance, if you're a protocol, you want the same user experience, you want this thing to built in your website or in your protocol, you can contact us and we can provide the API and you can use it. You can connect this and sharing the same feature as we have here. I think that's a major upgrade for our entire product line. Yep.
Thank you for sharing. Yes, and congrats that the Tier-Line also got selected in BNB AI Hack as a potential awardee. And I'd like to know more, what is the next step for Tier-Line?
So technically, we will. Very technically, we will combine Ultima with Tier-Line product. So we used to have, similar things like Manas, but the Ultima thing will make it the entire product more secure, because there's all the private data is still saved or stored in the user's Chrome in the user's laptop or whatever, right? The device. So all the data will not be transported to any server. So that will be really secure and keep the data ownership. That's the first thing. And the other thing, major thing, is that in the user experience part, we will support more fancy or more complicated DeFi tasks, because we're a team, we really believe in the DeFi plus AI, the blueprint for DeFi, right? DeFi plus AI, and we're building like the framework for the DeFi Lego, right? So in the near future, we're gonna to support like for instance, stable coin looping strategy on Solana or whatever blockchain, or even more complicated DeFi strategies. So I think that will be for the user experience part. Yeah, maybe more like DeFi strategies, like and liquidity management strategy, stuff like that.
Thank you, Rose, for joining us today. And that's all for today. And a big thank you to our guests and audience for joining us. And don't forget to explore this project and earn reward with them. Yeah, and have a great day, everyone.